we turn our outdoor light pole into something of the North Pole for the holidays. So yeah, I get on my husband all the time for my projects, but he comes to my rescue for everything. So, what I do, free game, I add painter's tape to everything. I add it all on my actual paint, inside and out, because it helps protect your actual paint. True transparency, I hate this light pole, I hate the color of it, and I can't wait to change it once we paint the house, but for now, the painter's tape keeps everything covered, and it makes it for easy cleanup, and it gives us some nice little decor for the holidays, child. Yes. So, all I do is I just tape up all of the places that I need first, and then I'm hot gluing just those areas on top of the tape. Adhere the ribbon to the tape with the hot glue, and it will seal it on there. Perfect. Easy, 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 people. This is what it's going to look like eventually. I'm just going to add those spiral tapes all the way from the top all the way to the bottom. Yeah, my daughter keeps calling me. This girl. This is what it looks like. When we're done, I added my little signs in the ground. And at night, it's just a light pole, so it lights up like a little nice little North Pole light pole. Keep following on my work. Happy holidays.